Hi, this is Paul, FEW Waterproofing, with another case study, Piccadilly Apartments in Toorak. This is a service roof, not a trafficable roof, but the owners engaged us to carry out repairs of the leaking roof, plus repairs to a lot of low ponding areas. And also the perimeter handrail feet were rusted out quite badly because they hadn't been treated properly when they were first installed. There was lots of debris on the roof we had to get rid of. This was all included as part of our package. The walkway that goes up to the lift motor room was badly deteriorated as maintenance had been not kept up. It was badly rusted, so we were also engaged to rectify this. The actual treads were okay, but the landing was shot, so we cut up the landing into small pieces to be able to remove it down the elevator, and then we engaged our steel fabricators to come in to create new legs to start with around. There were some 23 legs to go onto the perimeter handrails, so they were all dug out and cut off and then spliced on and then treated with liquid rubber to stop them rusting in the future. So both the legs and the landing was remade. The landing was made in smaller pieces and then welded together on site to create a new landing, and then it was painted. The system we used here is our premium liquid rubber membrane system, which is a 4-coat system basically. We go down with the liquid rubber first, then a reinforcing mesh is laid down into the rubber and embedded into it. Then we put down thermal top coats on top of that to further enhance the UV reflection. So overall, the job was fairly intricate and widely varied, and that's why they got us to do it. It's not something just every waterproofer can do. Being builders and waterproofers, we can sort of carry out this type of work, and it provides a one-stop turnkey operation. The job came up very successfully at the end, and owners are very, very happy and gave us wild reviews on our website. So it's really worth looking at. Some of these shots just show the progress of the landing being put back together and then coated in a rust-proof paint. Anyway, if you've got more questions on that, please give us a call on the office on 88122918 in Melbourne, and also you can go to our website, which is www.waterproofingfew.com.au. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.